Everyone is talking about making money with AI, but most videos tell you to write prompt on ChatGPT or sell AI-generated art. But these methods are becoming overcrowded. Today, I will show you 5 AI business models that actually people using to make money in 2026. Some of them can be started with less than $100, and some of them have a potential to grow into full-time business. And the best part is you don't need any coding knowledge, and the AI do the most of the hard works for you. As we go through each business model, I will explain you how it works, which AI tools you need, and how difficult it is. The first business is becoming one of the fastest ways to make money online, and that's called AI TikTok Shop Affiliate. Thousands of brands selling product directly on TikTok. Instead of spending millions on advertising, they allow creators to promote their products in exchange for a commission on every sale. Normally, creators have to record themselves using the product, but AI has completely changed that. Today, you can use AI to write scripts, generate product ideas, create videos, edit content, and even you can create realistic AI avatars. That means you can create professional-looking videos much faster than before. First of all, sign up for the TikTok Shop Affiliate and browse products with strong sales and good commission rates. Focus on the products that solves a problem or have a satisfying visual demonstration, because this kind of products works best as short videos. Next, use ChatGPT or Claude to write a short, engaging script. Instead of simply describing the product, ask AI to create a hook that grabs attention in first 3 seconds and highlight the product's biggest benefit. Then generate the video. If you have the product, record a few clips of yourself and let AI handle the editing, captions, and voiceovers. If you are building a faceless channel, AI tools like CapCut, Kling, or other AI video generators can help you to create professional content much faster. Once your video is ready, you need to post consistently on TikTok. The more high-quality videos you publish, the more chance you will have to find a winner. The great thing about this business is that once one video starts getting traction, it will bring you sales, and at the same time you can focus on other videos. And overall, if you are a complete beginner, this is one of the fastest ways to make money with AI. But if you don't want to depend on commission and want to build your own online business, then the next business model is definitely great for you. A few years ago, starting a dropshipping business was very difficult. You had to research products, write product description, design your website, edit your ads, fulfill customer orders, but today AI can handle almost all of these works for you. You create a Shopify store, import products from suppliers, and when someone places an order, the supplier ships it directly to your customer. And you never have to buy inventory or pack a single product yourself. The exciting part is AI can help you through nearly every step of this process. And here's exactly how you need to start. First of all, you need to choose a niche. Instead of creating a general store that sells everything, I advise you to focus on one category like fitness, gadgets, pets, beauty, kitchen products, or any niche that you are passionate. Because niche store builds more trust between you and your customers and makes it easier to sell products. Next, use AI to search winning products. Instead of guessing, ask ChatGPT questions like this. What products are trending in the fitness niche? Or use tools like AutoDS that use AI to discover products with strong sales potential. And after you find a product, it's time to build your store. You can use ChatGPT or Claude to write product description and add copy. You can use image generation tools to create promotional graphics. And use video tools like CapCut or Kling to produce short TikTok and Instagram videos that showcase the product. Some AI tools can even generate multiple versions of the same advertisement, so you can test which one performs best. And once everything is ready, you can launch your ads and start posting organic videos consistently. And remember this, most stores fail because they sell random products with poor branding. If you focus on building a real brand with high quality content, instead of chasing trends, you will have much better chance to be successful. And overall, this is one of the best online AI businesses if you want to build long-term business instead of earning commissions. But maybe you don't want to sell products at all. What if business pay you thousands of dollars to build something they need? That's exactly what the next business is all about. Building website used to require learning how to code. At least you need to understand the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or even you need to hire a developer if you want something more professional. But today that's no longer the case. AI can build beautiful, responsive websites in just few minutes. But here's what most people don't realize. Businesses are not paying for a website. They are paying for more customers. For example, a restaurant wants more reservation, a dentist wants more appointments, gym wants more members. The website is simply the tool that helps them achieve these goals. That's why businesses are still willing to pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars for professionally designed website. And here's exactly how you need to start. First of all, choose one AI website builder and learn it very well. There are many great options like Wix, Framer, Hostinger, or Durable. At the beginning, spend few days creating websites. For example, you can build an example website for a restaurant, real estate agent, personal trainer, cleaning company. You don't need clients yet. Just you are building a portfolio that proves you can create professional websites. Once you build few examples, it's time to find businesses that actually need your help. And honestly, this part is much easier than you think. Simply search for local businesses on Google Maps. Open their website. If it looks outdated or loads slowly, isn't mobile friendly, looks unprofessional, you found a potential client. Now imagine contacting these business owners and saying this: I noticed your website could look better. I made a better version of your website with AI. Would you like to see it? And let me tell you why this will work. Because most people asking for the work, but you are showing the value first. That's much easier conversation. Once a client say yes, AI helps you to build the entire website much faster than the traditional web design. AI writes the text for you, create layouts, generate images, optimize the design for mobile devices, and if the client wants changes, you simply update the prompts instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. And after delivering the website, don't stop there. Offer monthly maintenance. Maybe they want to update their services, or maybe they want to add new pages or improve their SEO. That's where recurring monthly income comes from. And again, overall, I think this is one of the best service businesses you can start with AI, because every business needs a professional and modern website. So far, every business we've talked about still requires you to do some works for every new client. But what if you could build something once and save businesses hours of works every single day? That's the next business model, which is called selling AI automations. Imagine owning a business where you have to answer same emails every day, copy customer information from one app to another, send invoice manually, book appointments, or follow up with every new lead. These repetitive tasks are wasting many hours every single week. Now imagine you can build AI automation system that doing all of these 24 hours a day. And businesses are willing to pay good money for these automations because they are saving time and payroll costs. The great thing is you don't have to build your own AI model. You simply connect existing tools together. For example, imagine someone fills out the form on company's website. Instead of an employee checking the form manually, an automation can instantly send the customer's information, notify the sales team on Slack, send personalized email, schedule a follow-up, and even create a task in company's project management software. The whole process happens automatically in just few seconds. Another example is a restaurant. When a customer books a table online, the automation confirms the reservation, updates the calendar, send a reminder before the booking, and ask for a review after the visit. No employee has to touch anything. Here's how you need to start. First, learn one automation platform. My recommendation would be N8N because it's incredibly powerful and becoming very popular. You could learn also Zapier or Make.com. Once you understand basics, start building a few example automations. For example, you can create one that automatically responds to new leads, another one for organizing customer data, maybe one that sends invoice automatically. Again, you don't need real clients yet. You just need to understand how these systems work. Then choose one industry. For example, dentists, real estate agencies, law firms, gyms, or cleaning companies. Every industry has repetitive works that can be automated. Now start reaching out. Instead of saying I build AI automations, you can say something much more specific. For example, I can save your staff 5 hours a week by automatically following up with every customer who fills out your website form. That's completely different conversation. Business owners don't buy automation. They buy time, they buy efficiency, and they buy more revenue. And once you install the automation, you can charge an upfront setup fee. Then charge monthly maintenance fee to monitor everything and make improvements. That means one client can continue paying you every single month. And these tools are not difficult, but understanding the business process takes some practice. Competition in this business is very low. Most people know AI exists, but only few of them know how to use it inside their business. And that's why demand is growing quickly. So far, all this business involves selling a service or promoting product. But what if you build something once and people pay you every month to use it? And that's exactly why AI app building is one of the best business to start right now. Just a few years ago, building an app meant hiring developers, spending months of writing code, and investing $10,000s of dollars. Today, AI has completely changed the game. With these platforms you see on the screen, you can describe your idea in English and AI generate the code for you. Does that mean AI builds a perfect app on the first try? No. But it gets you very close, and that's what makes app building more accessible than ever before. Here's exactly how you need to start. First, don't try to build a difficult apps like Instagram or Uber. Instead, you can solve one small problem. Businesses love software that saves time. For example, you could build an app that helps restaurants manage reservations, an appointment booking systems for salons, or a project management dashboard for small teams. These are not billion-dollar ideas, but they are simple tools that business use every single day. Next, choose one AI app builder and learn it very well. Personally, I recommend starting with platforms like Lovable or Base44 because they are beginner-friendly and let you build apps without writing much code. Start by creating simple applications that already exist. For example, you can build a calculator, a to-do app, booking system, lead tracker. Every project teaches you something new. Once you are comfortable, start building apps for real businesses. Let's say a local gym still uses spreadsheets to manage memberships. Instead of selling them a website, build them a custom app that tracks members, payments, and attendance in one place. Or maybe a dentist wants book appointment application. You can build a simple booking application that saves their staff hours every week. And here's the exciting part. You don't have to sell the app only once. You can charge an upfront setup fee, then charge a monthly subscription for hosting, updates, and new features. Now imagine building the same app for 10 different businesses, or even 100. Suddenly, you created recurring income instead of constantly searching for your next client. For learning difficulty, this business model could be a little bit more difficult compared to others. You need to spend time testing your apps, improving prompts, fixing small bugs, and understanding what's actually customer need. So these are 5 ways to make money with AI in 2026. And the people's biggest mistake is they are watching videos every day but not taking action. But you don't need to master every AI tool. Choose one business model, learn one platform, and get your first client and improve as you go. And remember, AI is not replacing entrepreneurs. AI is giving entrepreneurs better tools to build businesses faster than before. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI business model you are interested in.